Miami Seaquarium, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, not far.
We have people going to the Seaquarium.
We're on
You
a bus
guys are going to be
tour.
jumping off the
Hopefully
bus.
it's good.
Then we're going to go to Biscay.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up.
So we just done a bus tour and we are in Little Havana now. Just walking around. It's nice. Oh my god. It's really nice. It's boiling, and best believe it rained this morning when we were leaving. And then it stopped. It's super dry, like it didn't rain at all. It's so weird. But yeah, so Little Havana, first stop, which is really nice. It looks cute. Smelled some cigars. They had Cuban coffee. Yep. All good.
We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
So we're on the boat now. Don't get some good views. Trying to see what's so good. If you go like down there, I don't want to be too outside in the sun and you'll burn.
Let me take some pictures.
Alright. Yeah, it's really cool.
I can see what we are, don't know where we belong. Wanna know what you're thinking, wanna know if something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places, want you to fill my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we from now or is it really meant to be? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Wanna feel something deep. Do I really need your saving? You're the one on time I've wasted. Now the story is new, just a chapter or two. Will it be the same at the end? Don't want it to finish if we end. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we from now or is it really meant to be? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story?